must you do to dance at a new baby's birth? To make music with some old man's heart, to sing at the colors of the world. I am the light of the world. You people come follow me. If you follow along, we learn mystery of what you can do and you can be. To free the prisoners from his chains, to make the powerful agree, to rebuild the nations with strength and goodwill, to live as my disciples every